We walking through the streets of Barranco in Lima, Peru, and they describe this neighborhood as more of like a bohemian neighborhood, which means it's more artsy, more artsy is all I could think of. You'd have to Google the rest, but yeah, this is a bohemian neighborhood. Just has some more ceviche, so we just gonna walk around and see what it looked like here. You know, I've been staying in this area since I've been here, so I've enjoyed it. I like the areas that are less touristy, but has like art on the wall. It's colorful. Still get all the stuff you want. It's a little bit cheaper. But yeah, nice looking houses. Oh, my man got these huge mirrors right here. Can you see them? Wish I could get closer to them, but I don't feel like running. My stomach been uneasy for a couple days. I was about to talk some shit, but I was like, let me not. I'm not in my neighborhood. So yeah, man, this is what a little bit of Peru looks like, a little bit of Lima, that is. So I was supposed to probably only stay for maybe like a week here and then go to Cusco, but I've been having such a good time and trying to see everything that I could that I ended up extending my stay here like twice. So check out this wall. Just a cool, calm, casual Saturday. Got all your fruits and veggies, all the stuff that you need. I learned too that in Spanish they don't say Chinese, they say chifa. Like so. I ate there the other day. That's the place where I got if you saw my Instagram, I got 2 meals for $8. I said, how could I leave? How could I leave? Barranco is pretty cool, man. I like this place. Highly recommend if you want to come to Lima, Peru, and you want a little less touristy stuff, come to Barranco. Now, I'm pretty sure they might not want me to tell y'all that, but I'm here, and I've been staying here, and I've been enjoying it. So, how could I not share it? I have to walk down one of these streets soon so that y'all can see some more. Hola. I don't know if y'all saw him, but that man was sharp. You see that outfit, boy? That man was sharp. It's pretty colorful in here. So I guess if you know, by this time, I hope you Googled Bohemian and kind of can see that this is what it means. You get like a colorful neighborhood. It's more artsy, more down to earth. But out here, if you cross a couple bridges, boy, you better watch out. Yeah, Peru feels pretty safe, man. I haven't felt like I've been in danger one time, except for when my stomach started hurting and I'm away from my apartment. Which I should probably give y'all an apartment tour, but I feel like that's pretty boring because, like, it's not my apartment. It's just a place I'm staying. But if y'all want to see one, I'll give you one. Look at this. Cool colored houses everywhere. Now, forgive me if this is a little shaky because I like the idea of the vlog being a lot less polished than, you know, maybe what a movie would be or something like that. Because it's authentic, you know? Ooh, it looks like they got some good snacks in there. Yeah. So, let's see if I get strange looks walking down the street. There's a lot of people looking at me right now. Oh, shit. He's spraying some water. Oh, look. Hola. He was looking at me funny. Whenever somebody starts looking at you a little bit too long, you either got to speak or you're going to have to do something. Woo. I hope I don't get painted while I'm out here. I don't know if y'all can hear that. They painting some stuff. Let's see. But on the main street in Barranco, which I believe I'm approaching now, you'll see a lot more people. These are like the neighborhoods and stuff like that. This place that I just ate at was packed, man. It was hella people there. Like, you know, on Sundays in America when everybody just leave church and then they all go eat together. They got their nice clothes on. You can smell the perfume in the air. It was like that. And I was like, but it's Saturday. It's Saturday. Oh, and they will honk at you out here because they feel like you wasting time. That means you wasting their money. There's no money to be wasted. So they will honk at you. I want some snacks, man, like a dessert or something. I'm scared to mess my stomach up, man. I've been uneasy. I know I keep telling y'all that, and that's probably too personal, but hey, guys, we gotta get close, you know? It's what the Wander tribe is all about. Oh, look at the puppy in the shade. I get it. Hola. Little markets everywhere. Nice fruit stand over there. So yeah, this is what being in Barranco, Lima, Peru. I probably said it wrong, but I try to say it with the accent like they said, but you know, mi español es no bueno. Para aquí. Or para ahora, I don't know for now. Getting better, hola. I want to give y'all a good view of what it look like in the street. It's a beautiful place, like a little paradise. I ain't mad at Peru. I ain't know it was gonna be like this one bit, but now I feel myself coming back here more often. This is definitely one of my favorite countries in South America. Uh-oh, this one's for the fellas. They gonna see her and lose their mind. Shout out to this lady. Hola. definitely was fine as hell, fellas. But I can't speak to the fine ones all the time because I don't speak Spanish, so it gets a little difficult. This is cheaper Vietnam. That sound, I've eaten there a couple times, but I never really recognized the name. Look, they'll turn from the widest lanes. Like, I love Peru, but they got some of the worst drivers in all of South America. I will be honest. All of South America. I've seen so many close calls being here. But this is a little tour of Barranco in Lima, Peru. I'm about to just head back to my apartment right now. I'll probably get some ice cream or something, or gelato, whatever they call it. Oh, they speak English. Whenever I hear somebody speaking English, it's like, oh, word, that's some stuff I understand. I don't know what that is, but looks pretty nice. Looks pretty decent, you know? Looks pretty decent. Like, you don't want to walk too close to the buses. They be letting out all type of smoke, smog, and fumes. You inhale some of that, boy, you're gonna be high for the rest of your life. That was the bus that made that horn sound. How funny. Alright, well, guys, I'm gonna end this video here because I'm getting closer to my apartment, and I think we've had a pretty good tour of this place, you know? I mean, I'm only on foot, so I can't go nowhere too fast at all. It's okay. It's okay. All right. Okay, bye.